Happening. Right there's the ABC 10 news van, and right here is the flooding in San Marcos. Let me see if I can get across the street here, alright? This may take a second. And the puck is passed, he shoots and he makes it. Alright. So there's the ABC 10 San Diego news van. And here's the flooding. See, road closed. Now I just gotta wait, I don't want to get hit in the ass here by a car, so, alright. Here we go. Yep. There we go. See, this is the flooding. And over in this direction down the street is the pink house. So, yep. They don't want people going in here, you know. Yep. Here it is. So if you take this field here across to the next street in the field, it's the pink houses over there. Yep. Alright, what do we got? We got what, a quarter of a foot here? Yep. There we go. Right there's the marker and how high it is. About what, 6 inches? Yep. And you go over through here, right through here, through this field, and you cross the street, and you go into the field, and the pink house is over there, right over there. You go through this field, you cross the street, and the pink house is there. So, alright guys, thank you for listening to my video, and thank you for listening to me too. Catch you on the rebound.